tayo ng abot kayang health maintenance guide. As we embark on today's agenda, let us reflect on the achievement that PFAI has accomplished in the milestone year in 2023. Kaya gusto kong pasalamatan ang PFAI Board of Directors at staff para sa kanilang dedikasyon para sa maayos na NHA Provident Fund Management. The Provident Fund will not exist without its members. That is why I would like to invite everyone present this afternoon to actively participate in the discussion. Please share your insights and contribute your ideas to ensure the continued success of our Provident Fund towards stability and growth. Once again, sa ngalan po ng ating GM Tay, maraming po salamat at mabuhay ang ating Provident Fund.